Here we installed a Kenwood DPX7300DAB, which is that one there. So if you're after stereo, that's pretty basic. You don't want CarPlay, you don't want Android Auto, you don't need a reverse camera or anything like that, then this might be an option for you. So what it is, it's a double DIN unit, so it's a nice big unit, so it's quite easy to use because of it. It has a nice big dial in the centre there for volume controls, which is a nice thing. Steering wheel controls obviously has the capability for that, so in this vehicle in particular it works. You have a CD slot, so a lot of you out there might still have CDs, and you might want to play your CD, so you've got the opportunity to do that here. It has a USB front loading USB port there. So it just makes it really easy if you want to charge your phone, or if you want to connect your phone to it, you could do that by just plugging it straight into that, and that's that. This has Bluetooth audio input, and also it has Bluetooth phone calls, which is probably the most important part of it. So anyone calls you, if you have steering wheel controls, that would work on that, and also you've got a big phone button there, you just press that and answers a call. So that's the nice thing about this being double DIN, because the buttons are quite big and you don't really have to think too much just to push onto it to do what you need to do. So it's very easy to use. You've got your source button there, and this way you can flick between the radio, USB, BT audio if you link your phone up to it. It's got the auxiliary and digital audio as well. So it has got DAB as well as normal terrestrial radio. And you can actually change the colour of the stereo. So if there's a particular colour that your dash is, you can just flick around to get that colour, so it matches your dash. So that's a nice, easy to use stereo. Obviously no CarPlay, but if that's not what you need, this will be absolutely perfect for you. It does everything that you require for car stereo. So that is the Kenwood DPX7300DAB.